Welcome back, YouTube fans. Turkey Day's coming up here real soon, and then right around the corner is Christmas. Along with that, it's going to be a lot of cold weather that's coming down, unless you're in the really southern states like Florida, which barely experiences winter at all. You're going to get a little bit of cold. One of the things that you don't want to be is without power during that time. I know that during last year's winter, and we absolutely lost power here at the rental, and it was freezing cold because this building is not well insulated. Our electric bill was over $550 per month during the winter. So, of course, with our property in the cabins, being an off-grid power, there's 100% savings right there. There's no electrical bill. There's nothing connected there. So, having said that, Signature Solar has a great deal going on right now. They have different solar kits. One of them is a 6000 XP inverter, which comes with 3 lithium ion phosphate 5.12 kilowatt hours, 100 amp hour each battery, and a cabinet to store that in, as well as the solar panels, which will be perfect for setting that unit up as an entry-level system with 6,000 watts of power, 8,000 watts of usable power, and a lot of that can go towards running any of your appliances. It can run more than just your refrigerator for X number of days, like you've seen on some YouTube channels, which is kind of ridiculous in the tests that they actually provide to you. Here soon, we're going to be launching a real load test, which is going to show what happens on our system if you run your entire house on it. 12 kilowatts of power is actually quite a bit of power. So keep that in mind. One thing is for all the preppers that are out there in the world, if you're looking for any type of inverter system, solar power, or battery backup system, which is going to be protected from an electromagnetic pulse, and you want to protect yourself from a power out scenario, whether it is from inclement weather, space weather, whether the sun sends a corneal mass ejection of a X5 plus capacity, which does another Carrington event. If you want to protect yourself from any of those items, you might want to consider the 18K inverters. That 18K from EG4, which you can purchase at signaturesolar.com. Link in the description. That should be there soon. And that is actually has some EMP hardening that's been done to it, EMP protection. So from an electromagnetic pulse, whether it's some type of power voltage from a nuclear blast or whatever the case you want to take a look at. So just consider that. You want to be able to keep your deep freezer nice and cold, your refrigerator good while you're running your air conditioner and watching TV and the internet, doing the regular everyday things that you do today and not have to worry about those situations. Then you might want to consider getting a hybrid or off-grid system. Of course, look at the links in the description. A bunch of that information is there. If you're looking for a resource to help you find a way to install those items, between my YouTube channel and Will Prowse's YouTube channel and some other YouTube channels that are out there, you're going to find actually how to install those systems step by step, kind of like the video that we did. It's a bit lengthy, but one of the videos that we did was the solar mini split install. So any of those pieces, if you want to know how to set them up, the videos are out there and you can do those yourself. So just keep that in mind. You have a lot of resources readily available to you at just the tip of your fingertip. So again, if you have any ideas on what you would want to see these videos as in other languages, please put that down in the comments below. Any languages you want to see these in, put that down there, and we will work to try to get somebody to help translate and do a voice-over dubbed version of the videos in that language. Still on the channel, just with the leading portion of the language that you want to see that in. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon to receive notifications on new videos and we look to see you on future videos. Thank you very much, and see you soon.